Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, first of all, let's select this line layer and go to Solo and choose here Pen tool and let's create mask lines. Let's make mask like this. And for add new mask, select layer level, again back to line and create new mask. Again select 11, back to line and add new mask. So let's create this speedily. Okay, after masking, let's go to FX presets, search FX stroke. Select stroke from generate folder. Let's use for line layer. And go to path. Let's click all mask. And paint style, reveal original image. And click this icon for hide mask lines. Let's zoom in here. And change brush size for see full lines. Okay, and let's change end 0. And create end keyframe, go to here and change this 100% and preview animation. Okay. Let's press U for see keyframes and choose 2 keyframes and right click keyframe assistant and easy or click F9 and select last keyframe. Let's move to right like this and choose here 7 seconds compensation settings. Okay, let's preview animation. So in this time, let's unsolo line layer. Okay, first select this layer and let's go to anchor point. Move the anchor point down like this. And click selection tool. Go to first second and press P. Let's create new position keyframe. Move up. And go to 10 keyframes. Hold shift, press page down for go to 10 keyframes and move it down. Let's see. Okay, so select keyframes and make it easy. Go to graph editor and let's select first keyframe, move to right for create falling animation. And last keyframe, move to right. Let's see. Okay, back to keyframes. And go to last keyframe and go to 3 keyframes for add bounce animation. For go to frame by frame keyframes, use page down keyboard. 1, 2, 3. Let's move up. Again 1, 2, 3. Select middle keyframe, copy paste. Let's see. Nice. And select keyframes, move to right. Go to first second, hold shift, press S, open scale. And change scale 0. Create scale keyframe and go to here, change scale 100 and make it keyframes easy. Preview animation. Nice. And select scale keyframe, move to right. Okay, very good. And go to first second, hold shift, press R and open rotation. Create rotation keyframe, change rotation -10. And go to here, change rotation 5 and here change -2.5 and here change 1 and last keyframe change 0. Select keyframes, make it easy and preview animation. Nice. So select these other keyframes and first let's move the anchor points down. So, click selection tool, select these keyframes for layer 5. Let's select all of them keyframes for position, scale and rotations. Let's copy and select this layer, go to first second and Ctrl V for paste. Let's see. Select this layer 6, press P and select position keyframes and go to last position keyframe. This is very important part. Go to last position keyframe and move to here and preview animation. Nice. Select this layer 8, go to first second, Ctrl V for paste all of them keyframes, and press P, select position keyframes, go to last position, and move to here. Select this layer and go to first second, Ctrl V, press P, select position keyframes, go to last position, and move to here. Let's see. Nice. And select this layer, go to first second, Ctrl V, press P, select position keyframes, go to here, and move to like this. And select save layer, go to first second, press Ctrl V, press P, select position keyframes, go to here, and move to down. So let's preview animations. Okay, let's prepare timing. Select these all of them layers and close settings. So preview animation. Okay, very nice. In this time, let's select these circle layers. And first, let's select this layer and press S, change scale 0, create scale keyframe, go to 10 keyframes, change 120, go to 10 keyframe, change 95, again 10 keyframe, 100, and make the keyframes easy. And go to solo, let's see. Okay, let's unsolo. Select these keyframes, copy, and select other layers, and Ctrl V for paste. So for now, select this main bank layer and hide. And let's see timing. Select first this layer. And don't forget to select this line and lock layer. Okay, also background lock layer for unselected backgrounds. And first select this layer. Okay, this is correct. And next layer this. Let's move to right. Okay, let's see. Nice. Better timing. And let's enable bank layer. And so in this time, let's select these all of them layers and click for add motion blur. Also click for enable. Let's see. Nice. And for more dynamic animation, we can add animation computer particle fireworks. Let's open starter precomps, shape elements, and choose particle fireworks. Let's click add, close window, and let's see timing. First here, let's move to left and press S, change scale. Okay, and next layer, Ctrl D for duplicate and move to right. Again, let's Ctrl D, move to right. Okay, again Ctrl D, move to right. Like this. Again Ctrl D, move to left. And preview animation. Okay, this is more dynamic. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.